Hey guys, Thunder E here and welcome to my brand new iPhone SE 2020 speaker test. This is the phone we've been waiting for, $399 from Apple. And yes, everyone's been dying to get this. Yes, I will be giving the giveaway for 3 of the iPhone SE, so stay tuned to the end of this video. Also, I want to give a big shout out to our sponsor for this video, Visible Mobile, where you can actually pick up this device, not for $399, but for $184, as low as $184 for the iPhone SE. That is truly insane. This, of course, is with the aid of a $200 MasterCard gift card from Visible Mobile. Visible Mobile also has some really cost-effective plans at $40, everything included, text, data, phone calls, all that fun stuff covered within the Verizon network, and there are no annual contracts. So this is a really cool deal and also a great place to pick up the iPhone SE if you want to pick it up right now. Use the links down below. Okay, so this device packs in a lot. We know it's got an A13 processor. We know it's got a 4.7-inch display. Yeah, it's a, of course, a Retina HD display. It's got the Touch ID. It's got things people like. It's got the size that some people are looking for. But how does it sound in terms of audio? Well, it's got stereo speakers. Apple says that. So let's take a quick listen to see how well it actually sounds. Flagship device called the Moto Edge Plus. Yo, we have to do some gaming, so let's find out. It was actually surprisingly good and clear, especially listening to just the game audio from Call of Duty Mobile and also my vocals from far away. The camera was actually placed roughly around 4 to 5 feet away, so there was enough distance for it to pick it up, and it sounded really, really good. I like the sound, I must admit. But how loud is it? Because we always do a decibel test, right? So I'm going to compare it to some of the phones I compared last week. I'm talking about devices like the OnePlus 8, OnePlus 8 Pro, Galaxy S20 Ultra, the iPhone 11 Pro Max, it's big brother, the Huawei, of course, P40 Pro, to see, where the decibel loud is. Is it as loud as the other ones or is it lower? But it sounded loud to me, but let's take some readings and check it out. That was impressive, 106 decibels. Now, some of you say, hey, Thunder E, you put the microphone behind. I put it at the loudest position for the microphone. That's just my test. But either way, 106 decibels is really good for this device. I have to tell you though, I was quite impressed with the audio that this device brings. It's clear, it's crisp, it sounds well, and it places well in terms of loudness that a lot of people will like. So if you're picking up the iPhone SE, whether it's from Visible Mobile or if you win the contest, then you can actually get some really good audio. So I do like it, and I will recommend it in terms of audio, especially with speakers for people who are looking for that. So if you have any more questions about the brand new iPhone SE 2020, let me know. And stay tuned for more videos. I have my gaming video coming next. I know you guys are waiting for that. And you guys are waiting, okay, saying, hey, Thunder E, what about that giveaway? Yes, I have a giveaway. All you have to do is enter into the giveaway using the Gleam IO link down below, and go through all the entries and you'll enter to win. The winners will be announced in 2 weeks. I'll announce the winners. I'll place the winners' names in this video here, as well. So also announce them on Twitter. Plus, this is open to everyone worldwide, so you don't have to, it's not limited to US or Canada, it's open to everyone. All right guys, thank you very much. If you're looking to pick up this device right now, as I mentioned, definitely use the link down below from Visible Mobile. It can be as low as $184, so that is a pretty good deal. Stay tuned for more videos and always enjoy your entertainment.